Hi guys, how are you? I'm Diego Gadilha from Vonixx, and in this video I'll show you how to clean and protect your leather seats with safety and efficiency. The first thing we have to do is remove all the dust or sand with a vacuum cleaner. Now, just to compare the after and before at the end of the process, I will put this tape here and do it on this side of the seat. Couro from Vonixx is a leather cleaner with high cleaning power, and it is very safe to use in this situation. Spray a little amount on this soft detailing brush, also from Vonixx, and rub till you realize the dirt is coming out of the surface. Now, to take off the dirt off the leather, I will use a damp microfiber towel to rinse it. Do it on one motion. Now, how can you see? The dirt is here on the microfiber. And to finish the step with a dry microfiber towel, let's dry the leather, and this is the result. Very nice. And now to finish, I'm gonna use couro to protect and hydrate the leather. Put a little drop on this foam applicator and apply on the all surface of the leather. Let's take out the tape. This is how us looks like before and now. That's it guys, I hope that you liked the video. See you next time, bye!